Just a few days ago, something happened in China and it spooked the stock market and the crypto market. And we've seen the values of people's shares and cryptocurrency holdings just drop in value. Now, many people in the crypto space are super excited about this because now you can buy crypto at a much cheaper rate. It becomes a fantastic investment. At the same time, many people say, hey man, it's almost the end of the month. Where are we supposed to get money to buy more crypto? We will have to wait till the 30th of September, and by that time the markets will rise again. All I tell people is, wake up, learn to buy and own smart contracts and earn cryptocurrency repeatedly. You are an investor spending your money repeatedly. And then people ask, how do I earn from smart contracts? Let's understand this. I'll give you a very simple example. First of all, a smart contract is a line of code. It's an algorithm which is going to replace banks. Now, if you own this code, you can earn cryptocurrency repeatedly. Here's a very simple example. This is a smart contract worth 500 Indian rupees, or say that is $5 US. Okay. Now you bought this smart contract for 500 Indian rupees, or that's $5. Now someone buys this smart contract from you. What's going to happen? They become the owners of that smart contract, but you still retain ownership of that smart contract and you earn the full value of that. That's 500 Indian rupees. Now a second person buys the smart contract from you. They become owners of the smart contract, but you still retain ownership and you still earn the full value of that contract. That's 500 Indian rupees. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Anybody in this smart contract ecosystem can buy your smart contract and you will not even know who they are, but you keep earning that 500 rupees repeatedly over and over and over again. And every time someone buys that, you keep earning cryptocurrency repeatedly. It is not necessary that you sell a smart contract yourself. Anybody can buy a smart contract to a unique algorithm and you keep earning this money repeatedly. But here's the thing about human beings. 10 years ago, when cryptocurrency was introduced to the world, most of us said, this is all rubbish. It has no value in it. It's taken us 10 years to realize that we should be investing in cryptocurrency. Those who did have become freaking millionaires and billionaires. Now we have a technology where we can own these smart contracts and keep earning cryptocurrency repeatedly. But what people said 10 years ago, people say the same thing now about smart contracts. This is all rubbish. It's going to take people maybe another 5 years or 10 years to wake up to realize that earning cryptocurrency repeatedly by owning a smart contract is really profitable. And you can own a smart contract and earn from that same contract repeatedly. In July 2020, I purchased smart contracts worth 14,000, that's $185 US. And over a period of 5 months, people started buying these smart contracts from me. I started educating people about this technology. And it went so out of control that my 14,000 became 25 lakh Indian rupees. So are you ready to check the expiration date on your knowledge? Or will you say, this is all nonsense. I'll spend my own money. Wake up. Now you can earn cryptocurrency repeatedly by owning this fantastic technology called smart contracts, which is a unique algorithm. And this algorithm is going to replace people in jobs. This algorithm is going to replace banks. So why not learn to use this algorithm to earn cryptocurrency repeatedly? Buy it once and earn repeatedly. Now is the time to earn.